My son's name was Josh Manning.
Hey, Dad.
Meet me at the bell.
No, I got class.
A tragedy of this magnitude, absolutely heartbreaking.
Well, I'm trying to get
Mr. Manning, have you spoken to any of the other parents?
He was always very sweet to me.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay strong.
If you want to act like Josh never existed, great. But make no mistake, you are hiding.
The more that I know,
I saved this for you.
go.
Music was always you guys'
The
thing.
more that I know, that I wanna go home.
Knock, knock. Hello? That song was awesome. There have to be others. Someone ought to play them. We could play them.
You're my sidekick, you're my alibi, you're my right-hand man. Could I make you understand? I don't know.
Think you guys could put together enough songs to play a full set?
Voila! Not bad, huh?
Let there be music and let there be thrills. You don't like the silence and you never will.
You are a godsend. You know, what you doing for that boy?
Oh, God.
The faster we go, don't try to wake me, just hold on and never let go.
My son wrote all the songs.
Your boy wrote all that music. Well, what were you thinking?
Darkness, don't give way to light. I wish
You don't need those songs. You don't need me. Keep going.
Shine so bright. Raise your glasses and drink one tonight.
Sam hates the name.
No way. I don't hate the name. Don't blame me. I like the old man in the 3.